Welcome to SouthernCrossGO. Now in this video I'm going to show you two really good restaurants to eat on Jalan Mahendradatta. Now Mahendradatta isn't that far really from Legian Seminyak, maybe just a couple of kilometres. So let's get into it and check out these restaurants. Okay, so we're at WISTARA Family Cafe and Resto. So I'll just show you around. It's nice in here. It's like sort of like a joglo style thing. There's a lot of old antiques and things like that around. So, got the coffee machine. Hey bro, let's film. Up here upstairs they got the mashallah, which is where they pray. It's a praying section. It's got a few old antiques like old petrol Bowser from America. These unreal doors, check them out, eh? They're just on display. It's got a big outside area down here too. So you can sit inside or out, but it's a bit hot to sit outside here, but it's very nice. A lot of japuntree or frangipani trees everywhere. And yeah, play area for the kids, swings. There's a room down the back and another function room in here, you can see. They set up for special parties and stuff. Alright, so last time I was here I had the Wagu Steak and I'm going to have it again. It's really cheap. It's about $115,000, about $11, $10 or $11. So this place is on Jalan Mahendradatta. I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description. It's Mahendradatta there. It's one of the main arteries that go right up through Tempesar. So the menu, see things you get like AMB2W, you get a whole chicken, rice, vegetables, tempeh, tofu, 175. Ambatutu, Pusaka, bebek, they got duck, rawon, ribs, fish. Yuli said she's going to get the fish, aren't you? Yeah.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour fish. Then there's all rices and rice bowls and things like that. You can get sets, enough for 2 or 3 people to 4 people, different size sets. Rice bowls, and snacks, and assortments of drinks. So Yuli's going to get the Gourmet Asam Manis. Asam Manis means like sweet and sour. And it's only 55,000, very cheap, like $5. And I'm going to get the Wagu Steak, 115,000. It's about $10. Okay, so we got some tempeh as well. Look how much they brought out. There's like 5 big chunks of it with I don't know what sort of sauce. Maybe sweet sauce. Sweet and chili sauce, tempeh as a snack, but there's too much, way too much. What do you think?
You get what you pay for.
So that's the gourmet and some white rice. Sweet and sour fish. Sweet and sour gourmet, looks very good. So this is my Wagu beef. You get the wedges, you get gravy. Looks like 2 100-gram pieces. And yeah, let's hook in and try out this. Now I had this, like I said, I had this the other day. It was really good. So anyway, Wagu beef's supposed to be medium to well done, but I'm not sure. So you got these 2 nice big bits of Wagu. Try it out. Oh yeah. It's really tender. Really, really, really tender. So good. Try a bit of the gravy. Wow. You can't beat that for $10. Now, the salad's got like a sesame seed seasoning sort of thing on it. It's really good. So tender. I don't know how they do Wagu for that price or whether it's really real Wagu, but whatever it is, it's really tender. It tastes really good. I'm going to hook into this steak and I'll get back to you. Well, that was really good. Completely smashed that in 5 minutes. So we'll see how much it costs. Alright, so that's pretty good. The Wagu steak, the whole gourmet fish, plate full of tempeh. I got 2 drinks and you only got one. for 270,000, about 27 bucks. It's a great place. WISTARA, it's on Jalan, Mahendradatta. I'll leave a link in the description. Come and check it out. Great steaks. So we're here to have breakfast at CAMPO SAGA. This is one of our favourite little restaurants. It's got a couple of swimming pools, one here, one down further, big area down the back. I've done a video on this before, so I'll try and search for it and put it in the end screen. But we're just here for a quick breakfast. They have got the best breakfast burritos, so I'm going to go one of them. So it's got a full menu of everything, but we're just on breakfast. So you've got American breakfast, 40,000. Morning burrito, 40,000. Scrambled pesto, 40,000. And eggs Benedict, 40,000. It's cheap and it's really good food here. So anyway, CAMPO SAGA. So with breakfast, you get your free coffee. We've got a coffee latte. And I bought an iced tea as well. You really got, I don't know, what's that?
Brown sugar coffee.
Brown sugar coffee. Oh, you can see the brown sugar in the bottom. Look at it. Syrup, sugar syrup, coffee and milk. How come you got a big one? I got a little tiny one.
I got, is it one hot?
This must be your one.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is American breakfast. You get some tomato, potato, sausage, bacon, and an omelette, and some toast. Very good for 40,000. So what do you think? Good? Alright, so it's my breakfast burrito, morning burrito. Oh, you get some chips, bit of salad, oh, a bit of guacamole with it too. Very good. 40,000, can't beat that. These breakfast burritos. Oh, check out all the cheese just fell out of it, look. Bit of guacamole on top. Let's check that out. All right. So much cheese in it, eh? It's just falling out. I've got to get this on film. Are you paying for breakfast, darling? Are you? No? Come on, look at the camera.
Yes, I will.
Oh my God. She's sick, I think. You sick? All right. Got a fever or something? Thank you, darling. What a bonus. I get breakfast. I must have done something right last night, or what? Eh? Woo-hoo. Okay, so this is a good breakfast. CAMPO SAGA, less than 10 bucks for 2 people to eat with a coffee. Good value. Yeah, they also have music here of a weekend. Very nice, CAMPO SAGA on Jalan, Mahendradatta. So there's huge car park here too. There's plenty of room for parking. And Jalan Mahendradatta on the front. Leave a Google Maps link in the description. CAMPO SAGA.